my mic because it's almost. I think Revisa will come now and.
Yes, yes, sure, sure. Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you.
for encouragement. So we have conducted couple of competitions for this. Actually, uh, we have done a compliance presentation where there are a couple of important competitions which we have conducted along with for accounts department we have given compliance tests. We will share the digital certificates right now and there are 5 categories where we conducted the tests. Once we declare the winners, we will all ask them to present their case in couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So the presentations were done by Mr. Abhishek. Abhishek, open your video and speak a few words. Followed by Mr. Arif and Prakash Ranjan Malik.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, the presentation is initiated, consolidated, approved, and accepted by Mr. Ajit Anandan. He always claims that he's a small portion of the company, but he contributed a lot. Thank you very much for that, Ajit sir. And Khalil, who is our senior audit, SAP, or multiple executive, whatever you want to call. Khalil, thank you very much for that. But these 3 are the presenters. That is the reason why I called their names only. Thank you. So actually, we have conducted 5 important competition, but it was a surprise. I don't know. It's not a pleasant surprise. A lot of people did not participate. Only few number of people participated. But I hope all of you will take your time and participate in the next event. See, best pre-qualification award was given to India, head by Mr. Praveen Jakate. The project name is Panipat, the ceramic fiber blanket application and cladding. Mr. Praveen Jakate leads the team. We'll share the monetary benefit through email, the transfer, and certificate will be issued through email to you. Thank you. So we will also ask Praveen Jakate to present his presentation at the end of this. Next, most innovative project of the year goes to Jones Engineering Equinox Data Center, headed by our fire stopping division, where Ibrahim Palakal is the project engineer and presented by Mr. Ashraf. Congratulations, Ashraf, for your team's super success by presenting the most innovative project of the year. So, most innovative AI tool design and practical presentation by Mr. Khalil. Khalil made it within a very short span of time, and he will present his tool also to us very soon. So, gentlemen, we have next presenter, Mr. Praveen Jakate. AI tool. Okay. First AI tool will be presented by Mr. Khalil.
Yes, sir. Khalil will take only 2 minutes to present.
Yeah, Khalil, please show the tool which is award winning for Rise and Shine. How the tool can be used by all our payroll guys.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
So first of all, congratulations to you, Padma Madam, family, and all the team members for the 19th anniversary. Best of wishes. Let me share my screen. I hope I'm audible.
Audible, visible, screen shared, दिख रहे.
Okay. So this is the tool that is developed. It is based on JavaScript with the backend on Firebase Google. It is also hosted on Firebase. It is, shall I give the introduction of what was the thought process and also, or shall I just go ahead with the
No, you can explain the thought process because only two are left. After this, we'll
Okay.
complete the process. Yeah.
Right. So, as many of us are aware, we were having discussions about implementing AI in our business processes. We have been discussing this for quite some time now, and most of our team members have become very well versed in using the web tools, that is the ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, web-based applications. They are familiar and they are using it. Even in the recent compliance presentations, it was heavily used. So we have, as an organization, we have reached till that stage that yes, we are comfortable with that. Going to the next level, bringing AI inside our workflow was the next step, which was being discussed. And we were brainstorming as to what are the areas which particular subtask, which particular activity can be optimized or enhanced using AI. So within that discussion, to demonstrate, to give a sample use case as to how it works and how it can be implemented. So this project was done. And of course, also because the competition was there, but that was a thought process. So that is the reason this task was taken up. And the problem that was identified was timesheet entry. In all of our countries, we have a standard timesheet, which looks like, let me open it. This is a standard timesheet which Rise and Shine follows in most of the countries. And the major task of converting this, entering this into our ERP, the RealSoft which we use, or any other ERP, is to manually punch in these numbers in Excel or directly into the system. So this punching in, this is data entry basically. This is so to automate this, we have chosen the AI model to capture the data from the timesheet and give us it in Excel format. Now, to elaborate a bit more on this, taking a step back from AI, for quite some few years now, OCR is a well-established technology even before AI. So OCR was there, and we have many open source libraries available to implement OCR. But what AI does in this context is AI is aware when we prompt it, we give it context. So AI has context as to what picture we are uploading. If not that, then OCR libraries will just see it as any other picture. If you upload this or any other document, it is all the same for them. But when we upload this to an AI with context, it understands that it is a timesheet of a company for a employee, which has a start time, end time, and project codes mentioned in it. This context is already given to the model. So it understands that and then captures the data with respect to that context. So that is why AI integrated OCR is much better than plain OCR. So coming back to the tool, this is a web app developed on JavaScript. I think so I mentioned that, right? The backend is on Firebase. Okay. So we have a single upload as well as bulk upload of timesheets. So this is the upload button. Currently, we are using the free tier of Google Gemini AI model, and the free tier, we are allowed to use only Gemini 2.5. As you're also aware, the latest model from Gemini is Gemini 3.0, which is the flagship model as of now. That is not available on free tier. So for this demonstration, the model being used is 2.5. Earlier, in our previous discussion, there were questions about accuracy and how good is the AI in understanding the timesheet. Well, then it depends on the model that we are using, and the models are improving day by day. Every new model which comes out is better than the previous one. So yes, we can say that Gemini 3.0 is as good as it gets as of now. So accuracy will be pretty good. So currently this demonstration is for the Gemini 2.5, and I've uploaded. To give more context to the model, we can choose the year, the month for which the timesheet is. I believe it is Yeah, July to August 2025. So we say it is July 25, it takes the period. It is 26th July to 25th August. So also with this, the model knows that our payroll cycle is from 26 to 25. So we give this and we upload and we wait. With respect to time, this model is taking about 25 to 30 seconds to process a single timesheet. But if we go to the production model, when we have the paid API keys, then irrespective of the model, whether it is 2.5 or 3, it is going to execute within 5 seconds to 10 seconds. So yeah, it is done. So with respect to time, yeah, okay, so it is taking 30 seconds now. And once we go for the paid tier, it will be 5 to 10 seconds per timesheet. So we can see that it has picked up Sudama, New Suleiman. This could be further enhanced. See, when we're having a airtight process without any errors, so barcodes, scanners, employee codes, those enhance the accuracy. So here, even though we don't have an employee number or anything of that sort, it is just the name, and it is Sudama and bracket New Suleiman because it's an outsource employee. Even then, the model was able to read it correctly and catch that. Sorry. And it has also got the dates, the 26 to 25 payroll cycle, and the time in, time out, and the OT hours and the job code. This can be exported to, so when we do it in bulk, you will see, suppose you upload like 5 to 10 timesheets together, or even 100 for that matter. So you will see the 100 outputted on the same page. You can view them, and the next step would be to export it to an Excel file. So this gives us the data in Excel, which can be further manipulated. We can have, once we reach the stage, we can build a simple macro or any automation inside Excel to have it in the desired way that we want to upload in the system. Suppose we are uploading in RealSoft, and maybe RealSoft captures it as in 24 hours format, and we want the 6 to be converted to 18. Then all those things can be done in Excel with a macro. So that is not an issue. And any cleanup, maybe SAP. Sorry. Maybe SAP requires it in a different format, RealSoft in a different format. So those formats, those manipulation, everything can be taken care by a simple Excel macro that can be developed. So this is the step. This is the first step from going from the picture of a timesheet to the Excel sheet. That is what this tool does. And this is a small demonstration, sir. This is a very basic. OCR is something like very, very basic, but it gets tricky. To give you an example, it gets tricky. So even for something as simple as this, if I don't know if it is visible, the first line, the first row, it says OT hours, and somebody has put a white ink and they have corrected it to be 2 hours. I think so it was something else before. So it is not very much visible to be 2 hours. So this is a great thing of the model that we have chosen. It recognized this to be 2, I believe. Yeah, the first line, OT is 2 hours. So good job, I can say. So such things will not be possible with your regular OCR without AI. So this is what AI brings to table. So it is able to apply its mind and try to read things which are difficult to read by normal computer vision. So that is it, I believe. If anybody has any questions, I can answer.
Yeah, Pratik bhai, go ahead.
Sahil bhai, thank you. It was a well attempted and I appreciate your efforts. But I believe we already have taken a step ahead by implementing UBI,
Yes.
Right.
which gives us all these details
Right.
readily, right?
Right.
So I believe this probably we are going a step behind, because in
Right.
Qatar specifically, although this timesheet It's a well proven method, and majority, like 80% of contracting companies, are still following timesheets. We have gone one step ahead to implement UBI, which gives us all these details in just a matter of click.
Right.
Although it's not 100% foolproof, we have opened new channels of a lot of leakages, but uh, I believe that we have already passed that phase. So just input how you take it,
Right.
how can we enhance from the reports that we get from UBI?
Understood. Pratik, yeah, we did discuss this yesterday when I was presenting this. So this is mostly a demonstration, right? So as I said in my opening note, when we say using AI or interacting with AI, most of us in our organization understand it to be going to Gemini.com or ChatGPT.com and interacting with it in a chat format, wherein you ask something to the AI and the AI responds to you. So this tool is a demonstration. It is a demonstration of how you can bring AI to your existing process. So it is quite possible that we may not use this tool altogether. It's quite possible, as you rightly said, we already have Ubisoft. So maybe not this tool. So looking at this tool, maybe you can get another idea. Maybe something about you can upload your entire ledger and get a SOA in desired format, or you can have a analysis of your SOA, something like that, or put in a particular format. So this will give you ideas of how you can bring AI in our business processes, right? So this the purpose was that, not to replace anything else, but
Understood.
to demonstrate.
Just to rephrase, what you brought to the table is like how OCR detection through AI, AI can help us enhance our further processes.
Yes.
Am I
yes,
taking it in right sense? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fair enough, Khalil. Yeah, thank you.
So, thank you very much,
Mm,
Khalil bhai.
yeah.
As Pratik bhai said, well presented. And there were very good attempts by both Abhishek and Nagaraj also.
I want to thank you everyone for being there, being supportive, working as a team. Always keep working as a team, keep performing. And with this, and one more thing we did just now is first time we did digital presentation, like anniversary celebration digitally. So, sir, thank you so much. And sir, if you want, I can ask IPFP to cut the cake also, because there is a cake fair also. If we can
Amazing.
do it right now.
PFP and Rise and Shine.
Whoever has got the cake ready, please cut it. In the evening, when we have time, we'll cut and we'll share the pictures. Please go ahead and cut the cake.
And we have a small get together in UAE. So whosoever is there are invited.
Day after tomorrow will be in Qatar. And Oman, Saudi, whenever I'm reaching them, we'll let you know well in advance and we'll have a cake cutting and dinner as well.